What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your PS5 Pro console. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the button at the center of your PS5 controller like this, and go down to home and then go all the way to power. Once you do that, go down and click turn off PS5. It's gonna take a few seconds and it should be turned off now. At the same time, your PS5 controller will turn off as well. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest tutorials, and visit our website theinternetmola.com. Thank you guys again. Bye.